we are on our trip to Sojo. Okay, guys, so as I said, we are on our way to Soho. It's really Sojo for me because it's SOJO, but it's a Spanish place. They pronounce their J silent, so they call it Soho. So I am still on my birthday treat, so I am going there now to have some fun. So I'll see you in a few. In 2018, my daughter booked here, and I went there with my cousin and also my daughter that booked the trip. We went there together, and I had so much fun. There are a couple of pools there with hot water, cold water. They have waterfall. They have spa. They have foot massage in the water. Oh my gosh, it was milk water. It was very, very nice. I had so much fun with the girls on the balcony, and there's a lot of things there. Steam room, the massage. When you make an appointment to get a massage, you get some really good massage here as well. I had so much fun when I went there on my birthday in 2018. So today is me and my husband, so let's see if he's gonna enjoy this trip as well. So I'll let you know, guys. By the end of the video, I will definitely let you know, because if he don't have fun, then it's not gonna be fun for me. If he's not having fun, it's not gonna be fun for me either. My husband is very picky, and he just believes that everything is natural in Jamaica, and is nowhere to him like Jamaica for fun. So hopefully you have fun here. From our home to come here, it's about 35 minutes.
In a quarter mile, take the New Jersey 93 Grand Avenue exit
towards the spa. So we'll be there shortly, guys.
Take the New Jersey 93 exit, then continue straight onto Maple Avenue.
I'll let you know, guys, if next time this is just a straight girls trip. But if you have somebody that you want to treat them for their birthday, this is a nice place to bring them in New Jersey. It's close to New York. Yeah. There's so much hot water, cold water, steam room, cold room, shower after shower, you name it. It's a very nice place. I enjoyed the last time. So as I said before, hopefully I enjoy it now, because it was my girls the first time and now it's hubby. So hopefully he doesn't get bored.
Shouldn't turn.
In 400 feet, turn right onto East Columbia Avenue.
Oh my gosh.
Turn right onto East Columbia Avenue.
Is that my place? Should have turned us on the street first.
Take the next left onto Maple Avenue.
And then we turn left on Route 5.
In 6.
Guys, as you see, I have to be taking out the songs from the background. I don't want YouTube to copyright me, so that's why. But hopefully you're enjoying our trip. Anyways, on my birthday, I had so much fun. My son wake up and make me breakfast. He was taking it to give it to me in bed, but I was busy in the shower, so I ended up having it in the kitchen. Then in the day, my daughter take me to have seafood, lobster, shrimp, crab, corn, potato, all of that works. I have some video as well. And then in the night, they gave me a surprise party. I was shocked, but I had a lot of fun. My kids did a lot for me for my birthday. Normally, they would give me money not knowing what I want, but this time they really take time out to find and know that there are things that they can do to make me happy. And
in 1,000 feet, turn right onto Bluff Road.
So it's still happening today, and I'm still having fun. They're still treating me, and I'm still happy for that. So To God be the glory.
Turn right onto Bluff Road, then turn right onto Anderson Avenue. Turn right onto Anderson Avenue, then turn left onto Columbia Avenue.
The main fact that you take time out to know and notice what I need, that is more important. I don't need anything, to be honest, but even a cup with my YouTube name on that, a
Turn
simple
left
thing
onto
like that.
Columbia
If your
Avenue.
budget is low, a simple thing like that could cheer me up. You don't have to get me Louis Vuitton or a X6 or a
In a quarter
BMW
mile,
or
turn left onto
etc.
Palisade
None of
Avenue.
that. None of that. If you don't have it, you don't have it. So just the thoughts that count. That is what important. Getting my logo on a cup, even my business logo, that when I'm doing my YouTube, I could be drinking out of my cup. That is just so nice. That is
Turn
simple,
left
something
onto
that is so
Palisade
nice,
Avenue,
costs
then
very
turn right
little,
onto New Jersey 5
and just
East.
the thought of it, pop up with a thought of something, and that is what inspire me and get me excited. They say things don't really get me excited because I'm not in need, I'm really not. We're still driving, hopefully to get there real soon. Like we have almost 10 minutes to get there. So we're trying to get it speed up a little bit. So wait for the excitement because it's right here. Right here, it's coming up. Okay? So let's see what SoJo look like. A little piece. Because there's some place in there you cannot use your phone. They actually tell you that in the steam room and in the changing room, stuff like that, which is common sense. You cannot use it in the changing room. So we are here. No, a Soho, not so.
J silent.
Right, Soho's. We are at Soho.
Yeah, master.
See there? I just get a letter from a baby. Where we at?
Edgewater, New Jersey, USA. Edgewater. Edgewater Portland.
Yeah. We do. Edgewater, New Jersey. We are at Soho. SoJo. It have a J. Soho. Okay, see that we're gonna go right up there. So somebody did it last time. To buy. You have to.
Food not coming out my pocket.
No. You have to spend your money. Normally they have the valet parking. I guess maybe because of Corona they now. Oh, wow. That's crazy. People are dying to have some fun. Normally they take the car at the front and go park it, a valet parking, but they don't have that today because it's so full here. So we'd have to park it at the other parking lot. We have to go park it ourselves today. It's crazy. Go on and put it in over there. Soho with me. Soho Spa Club. Soho. Soho Spa Club. Yes. We are in SoJo. The pool and everything upstairs. Me I go in there. And we are at Soho. I go pan too. And I need this something right there, so the water there. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Sing happy birthday for my babe. Sing it. Where you want to go? Where you want to go? Some other place them locked down because there's a part that I wanted to go but it closed today, which is in the hot sun. They cover you with the hot sun. That is not open. Max eat out my food. Man. The food is good here as well, and the price is reasonable. It's healthy. The stuff they sell here is healthy stuff. So this is a very nice place to treat somebody, a good friend, your lover, your sister, your sibling, something. You are so right.
I like this.
Yeah, I like the sun too.
Sun come out.
Yeah, string it up on the towel. steam a little after that heat. We're gonna leave this ready for a cool. And then we're gonna go into the milk bread. That's happening. So we have a milk bread as well. This bread
Where is he going?
so we want to get rid of some food. So now we're starting to have some food.
Wow. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Oh, wow.
It's not the same. Jacuzzi at home? Never the same.
You guys show the one for me. My baby. And you'll always be my boo. Oh, this is nice. Oh, wow. Really nice, right?
Yeah.
Now go back in our water. The shower not around there, so let me see upstairs. Oh, back the fall, yeah. No, me see. Cause now go back in our water. Ooh. Where the fourth? You afraid I watched that? What? But Mom says you want to go in there. We are now leaving Sojo. Oh, Soho. And we had so much fun, guys. We had a lot of fun today. So goodbye to Soho, Sojo. We're going to the parking lot. Another shirt that you wear come here this today. But the army looking one. Oh yeah, you're right.